This bulgogi sauce has become a staple and a comfort in my house. We're just doing some veggie prep here for a side dish. Half a pear, tamari or shoyu, brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and this is how I keep my ginger in the freezer. Gochujang. And we're gonna blend this all together until it's a nice creamy sauce. Lightly pan-fry veggies. Saute the onion. I'm using ground turkey this time. Add your sauce, little vinegar for brightness, and sesame seeds for texture. Oh, there's my tiny rice cooker. Plate yourself up fancy. Have a good evening.